So for beginners, my advice would be when you pot the succulent, don't water it for a week. When you pot something that you're gonna put indoor, and if it needs immediate watering, if you see that the plant needs watering, then water it that day, and then don't water it for a week. But if you see that it'll be fine, then don't water it for a week and then start watering it from then. And that's where you keep track. For succulents, I recommend as a track to water it every 3 weeks, just to make sure that you don't overwater it, even 4 weeks, which is a month. So for succulents, water it that once time and then don't water it for 3 weeks. And if it looks good in 3 weeks, then wait another week. Kind of the rule of thumb for any plant, when in doubt, don't water and just wait a few days, or in this instant, a week. When you're indoor, you don't need to water that much. When you're indoor, you probably water every 3 weeks, depending on what plant it is.